Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Log. A new study on Caribbean digital readiness shows that there is a growing sense of urgency by businesses in the region as they strive to keep pace with advances in technology and shifting customer expectations. Details in this report.
76 senior executives from across the Caribbean, including Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Bermuda, Barbados, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and Turks and Caicos Islands were surveyed between November 2023 to January 2024 by PWC. It was aimed at examining how far Caribbean businesses have come and how to move further and faster through digital transformation. The survey found that 47% of Caribbean businesses saw a return on digital investments. They report seeing transformative effects in key areas: creating better customer experiences 65%, improving decision-making 54%, and enhancing brand 47%. 45% of the senior execs also see AI as critical to strategy. There is an expectation that this will grow to 52% in 3 years as the transformational impact of AI gathers pace. Respondents were also asked to rate their organization's digital IQ on a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 equals weak and 100 equals strong. The average digital IQ of Caribbean businesses has risen to 67, up from 63 in 2021. At the same time, 37% of businesses see digital disruption as a threat to their survival. More than a third of respondents believe their organization faces a survival-level threat from digital disruption. Only a quarter see their organizations as digital leaders, while less than half think their company's digital transformation is on track and proceeding quickly enough. This compared to 42% who thought their organization's digital transformation was on track and proceeding quickly enough. Another key finding, 33% of respondents thought legacy systems are biggest barrier to progress. These are outdated systems and lack of integration between new and existing technologies and data. The PWC says this highlights the urgent need to clear away the legacy systems and step up the pace of modernization. Now globally, PWC AI Jobs Barometer analyzed close to 1 billion job ads and thousands of company financial reports across 6 continents. Productivity growth has nearly quadrupled in industries most exposed to AI. Example, financial services, software phishing, while AI-exposed industries are now seeing 3 times higher growth. For the Business Day, I'm Prince Moore.
To company news now, Edufocal Limited today announced the resignation of its chairman of the board, Peter Levy, effective June 13, 2025. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company says since assuming the role in 2013, Mr. Levy played a critical role in Edufocal's growth from a startup focused on exam preparation to a publicly listed company now undergoing bold transformation. Mr. Levy's resignation from the board comes at a time of major expansion for BCIC, the company he leads as managing director. With BCIC's recent acquisition of JN General Insurance, Mr. Levy will be dedicating greater focus on the operations there. In the meantime, Edufocal Limited has advised the JSE that the publication of its unaudited financial statements for the first quarter, which ended March 31, 2025, will be further delayed. The company now expects to release the report by June 20, 2025. All categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by $3.06 and 90 gasoline will go up by $3.84. Automotive diesel will see $4.50 being added, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by a similar amount. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more. The cost of propane will, however, increase by $2.58, while butane will go up by $3.06. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Now, the JSE index declined by 599 points, while the junior market index declined by 11 points. The winners included Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Stationery and Office Supplies, ISP Finance Services, and Image Plus Consultants. The losers included Regency Petroleum, JFP Limited, Kintyre Holdings JA, R.A. Williams Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment Group. 21 stocks traded firm. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.54. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.80. The pound is going for $217.42, while the euro is selling for $184.54. And that's the business day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.